Hey guys, welcome to my garage. There's my Humvee Mathilda, sitting all pretty. I just have so many things to do right now, so many things. Okay, I got a whole bunch of radio stuff here. I have a Striker SR810 antenna. I'm going to be putting that up soon. A whole bunch of wiring, whole bunch of bolts. Even have a nice GMRS antenna. Look at that one, pretty nice. I will also be building a whole center console for the Humvee out of aluminum and out of wood, and fiberglassing the entire thing, putting it there with the radios, the CB, the GMRS, the CarPlay head unit. Let's see how that looks. Then I also have to do my roof up. I'll be selling my camo roof, soft top, and the rear curtain. This is in great shape. Clear window in the back. I've also got these 4 hard doors to put in. I have these nice AC vents. I bought 4 of them. Probably have to put that in once I finish my center console. What else? I have a little hatch that I'm going to use to put my fuse box in. That'll also be part of the center console. We'll see how that works out. Then I have a nice 50-watt GMRS radio. And I have a nice CB radio to put in as well. Then I have a large 16-inch rear view mirror, curved one that's going to go up there somewhere. I'll put that up soon. Have to put that center console in as part of my center console that I'm building there, like I mentioned earlier. I also have a bunch of different jerry cans. I got this one, which is not a jerry can. It's actually a toolbox. And I got that jerry can, that's for water. And I got that jerry can, that's for diesel. And I got these holders that I have to clean up and paint. See, 1, 2, 3 of them. So I'm gonna have to mount them in the back over there nicely and paint them and show you the straps I have to hold them in place. Then I got my little ammo can over here with my 50 caliber BMGs. And of course, once I get this baby mounted up in the back with this stand, I'm gonna put it right there. Right there. Should look really nice. I got these lockable tie-down straps from Amazon. They just got delivered too. Really nice. You can tie them down and they lock up with a key. I'll be using them for my jerry cans so no one steals them. Yeah, I bought this 802 F7 from Amazon during Black Friday weekend, and it got delivered today. Really nice head unit with CarPlay. And I also got these from Crutchfield, 6.5 inch two-way speakers. Really nice, a bit pricey, but I've been told they are really sharp. Let's see how they work out. I have these rings for my coolant hoses. Still have to put those on. Need to also do the wiring for my rear backup light. The cable broke, so it's not working. Let's see, I have to fix that one up. I got these parts cut in aluminum from Send Cut Send. It's a good service. They get laser cut parts really fast, really cheap. And I will be using it to mount this beautiful thing. That's a 120 missile tube. It's for storage. I'll probably put camping stuff in it. No missiles, sorry. And I'll be mounting it right here on the back of the truck. So it looks really cool. Okay, these military seats are not the greatest. They're not comfy, and they're staying easy. I will be replacing the seats with these. These are from a Slingshot Polaris. These are really sexy, soft leather seats, but pretty firm at the same time. So they'll be going in the military Humvee. How cool is that? How cool is that? One more thing I'm planning on doing is making a fiberglass rear curtain. Either fiberglass or aluminum. Let's see how I feel about it. Let's see how my plans go as far as selling the camo top and the rear curtain. I have a couple of people who want both of them. So let me sell them first, see what money I come up with for materials. Yeah, that's pretty much what I have right now on my plate. So many things to do. So happy to have my M2. See there? Hopefully when I get it all mounted up, I shouldn't have any problems with law enforcement if I'm driving on the road. Let's see. I'll shoot another video, show you what happens then.